This 2018 Grand Design Momentum 376th is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Clarkston, Michigan, 48348 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Slideout, and 117 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front living area, kitchen island, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.